important organ in the digestive system is the colon, also called the large intestine. Colon health is a significant part of digestive health. Colon cleansing has many benefits including clearing toxins and enriching the colon. Detoxing may also help with weight loss, reduce the risk of colon cancer, and improve the immune system. 8 ways to do a natural colon cleanse at home. Number 1. Saltwater flush. This is especially recommended for people experiencing constipation and irregularity. Before eating in the morning, mix 1 teaspoon salt with lukewarm water. Sea salt or Himalayan salt is recommended. Drink water quickly on an empty stomach, and in a few minutes you'll probably feel an urge to go to the bathroom. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger contains bioactive compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Ginger stimulates digestion, treats nausea and bloating, and promotes colon health. Ginger is an excellent herb that aids in the removal of toxins and waste from the colon and body. Add about a teaspoon of ginger root or extract to a cup of hot water. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir well and drink. Number 3. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a wonderful plant that is known to assist in cleansing the colon. Due to the high number of bioactive and antioxidant properties in aloe vera, there are a number of detoxifying and laxative effects from consuming this plant. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to a cup or 2 of water. Add 200 milligrams of aloe vera gel to this mixture and blend well. Refrigerate the aloe vera juice for 3 to 4 hours and consume it. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antioxidant and antibiotic properties that can be beneficial for a healthy gut and colon. ACV also supports the digestive system and colon in eliminating toxins and making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar to a glass of lukewarm water. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. Drink this concoction every morning. Number 5. Lemon. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C that can boost the metabolism and promote detoxification. The antioxidant properties of lemons also protect the body from free radicals. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of lukewarm water. Add a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon or less of sea salt. Your lemon detox is now ready to drink. Number 6. Chia and flax seeds. Both these seeds are superfoods that are high in fiber. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in the colon and remove the built-up toxins. You can add a teaspoon of the seeds in water and drink the mixture. Make a pudding or sprinkle them over salads. Number 7. Yogurt. Yogurt is considered a natural probiotic that can contribute towards healthy gut flora and aid in cleansing the colon. Yogurt is also rich in calcium, protein, and essential vitamins which play a significant role in supporting the body during cleansing. Eating a bowl of plain yogurt once or twice daily is generally recommended for those who do not have lactose intolerance or a dairy allergy. Number 8. Eating fiber-rich foods. Fiber is excellent for keeping your bowels healthy and cleansing the colon by eliminating waste out of your body. You can include grains such as beans, lentils, quinoa, oatmeal, or vegetables like peas, artichoke, Brussels sprouts that are high in fiber. Raspberries, mango, figs, and coconut also help nourish the colon.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.